Welcome. I'm happy to guide you today. We'll strengthen your immune system together. You will engage mind and body in a simple, natural way. There is nothing special to do. Just allow the process to unfold. If not already, gently close your eyes, as if telling yourself the journey begins. Closing the eyes helps you turn inward, from appearances to essentials. You may follow my voice and the music, or simply hold a pleasant thought. You don't have to listen consciously. This speaks to deeper, sensitive places within. Remember Peter Pan's wisdom: to fly, find a joyful thought. In times like these, a pleasant thought can be essential to carry with you. Fear, anxiety, doubt, they create hormones that lower immunity. Just when we need our systems strong, stress can make them weaker. Students told of a surprise exam showed immediate drops in immune activity. Stress did that, making them ready for the first cold around. So the first lesson: fear tries to protect and yet weakens us. Fear closes us off from life, and that separation invites illness. We also love sunlight and warmth. In winter, there is less outside, so we can cultivate more inside. Light in the body, light in the mind. Claude Bernard said, "Function creates the organ." Acting and moving in a direction mobilizes and evolves the body. Energy goes where attention goes, so bring attention now to your fingertips. Simply think of the tips of your fingers. That alone changes blood flow there. Your mind just did that. Your imagination made it real. Your mind is like water to a fish, so present you forget you're in it. So do nothing special now. Only breathe, only notice. Inhale softly, exhale longer. Let your breath be your guide. Bring your attention to your chest, your ribs, your diaphragm easing. As you notice, things change. Awareness itself is a gentle intervention. And now, consider a story about two houses and a thief. One house is barricaded and fearful. It attracts what is like itself. The other is peaceful and open. The thief feels no resonance and leaves. Life is like that. We magnetize what matches our inner tone. Jealousy meets betrayal. Anger meets anger. We are like radios. We receive the station we tune to. Tune to dark waves, and you hear dark broadcasts. Tune to luminous waves, and you receive luminous messages. Often what we do to protect ourselves is the one thing that hurts us most. Sensitive people may barricade inside, and the throat closes like asthma. The more they fear the outside, the more they suffocate within. Protection becomes a prison, like an oyster closing so tightly it dries. The paradoxical answer: open gently, connect with life again. Teach the deep brain, the old reptilian guardian, a new way to feel and function, openness that supports life. He's an ancient gatekeeper, made for danger long ago. But you are the owner of the house. You decide who enters. So consider this experiment with darkness and inner light. Imagine deepest night all around and your small house glowing within. Like stained glass windows at night, projecting colors outward. By day they go unnoticed, but at night they guide and reassure. Now open your doors, honestly notice what happens. Do the shadows flood in, or does your light spill outward? No shadow ever extinguished, even the smallest candle. So open the doors, let inner light meet the night. Little lives, microbes, tiny beings, seek light to evolve. When darkness meets true light, it transforms into light. Like flipping a switch in a black room, where does the darkness go? It doesn't disappear, transforms, becoming light everywhere. Your house alone won't light the world, but each open house lights its part. When many open together, the earth brightens steadily. Each grain of sand shining by itself makes the whole beach white and soft. So begin within, light your inner lantern and breathe. Sometimes the body tries to protect itself and creates its own prison. Like asthma, when the throat closes to block the outside air. The more fear rises, the more the body tightens. And what was meant to save you ends up suffocating you. The true response is often paradoxical: to open, to connect again with life. Your old reptilian brain may cry, "Danger, don't do this." But you can teach it a new way, a way that allows life to flow. Imagine now you are surrounded by deep, heavy darkness. And inside, a small, glowing house, warm, safe, filled with light. Open the doors without fear. Notice what happens. Does the darkness invade, or does the light flow outward? Light always pushes back darkness. Shadows cannot enter the flame. Your inner light radiates outward. It transforms what surrounds you. Even microbes, tiny lives, seek the light to evolve. Like guests seeing a warm glow, they are drawn in and changed. The more you shine, the less there is to fear. Fear barricades. Light liberates. Imagine now a dark room and a switch on the wall. Flip it, and the room fills with light. Where did the shadow go? It did not vanish. It transformed into brightness. That is what happens in you when you open your doors. Your house cannot light the world alone, but many houses together can. Each light added to the next, illuminating more and more. The time of isolation is over. It is time to connect. Each candle that lights another spreads warmth across the earth. Now imagine yourself on a plane, seated beside someone coughing. At first the mind says, protect yourself, danger here. But that is the old guardian, the fearful brain of survival. It is only the gatekeeper, not the master of your house. You are the master. You decide who enters. So instead of closing off, choose to breathe openly. Choose to radiate calm, joy, and inner light. Notice how your state changes the atmosphere around you. What if your light heals others instead of fearing their shadow? You cannot always control the outside, but you can shine from within. Inhale softly, exhale slowly. Fill yourself with confidence. Let each breath expand your flame. Let it rise and shine. Even the smallest spark inside you is stronger than fear. With every inhale, fuel your fire. With every exhale, spread its glow. Imagine light pouring through your skin, radiating outward in all directions. Be a small sun. Be a beacon wherever you go. As you walk in the world, people notice. They smile at you. Because you shine, because you radiate life. A single candle lights others without losing its own flame. You can ignite many candles simply by being who you are.
This was a short preview from one of our guided hypnosis sessions. You can listen to the full session by following the links in the description. If you enjoyed this experience, consider subscribing for more calm and sleep sessions. Take a moment now to relax and allow calm to settle naturally. Be well.